Everyone, in this video, we are going to learn about modules, packages, and libraries. And we are going to see how we can use it. So first of all, what is modules? Module is a simple Python file that include function, classes, and all the Python code. So you can use that module in different files. Now, so when we have a multiple modules in a single folder, that is called package. So let me show you how this will work. So first of all, I'm going to create one simple folder here, my life, something like this. Now in this folder, I'm going to create one package. Okay. So for package, I need to create a folder. So click on folder and just create one package. Okay. This is our package. So whenever you create a package, so make sure you should have one file under that package. And if even you don't have any module in that package, still you should have one file, and that file is init.py. This is your package folder. Now I'm going to create one module here. So suppose module 1.py. Okay, this is our module. Now in this module, I'm going to create one function, and let's create a function, and I'm going to return here hello world. Okay, simply. So this is my function. Now I have a one functions here in the module file. This module file under the package. So wherever we have the multiple modules, so suppose I'm going to create another module is like module 2.py. So I have two modules here, and one module have this function, my function, and another module have the another function is my function 2. Okay, that return to something this. So we have the multiple modules in one folder, and that is called package. Okay. Now we know that modules and the package. Now how we can call it and how we can use it. So I'm going to create one file here. I'm going to create one simply file main.py, and this file main.py, and this file under the mylib folder, not in a package. Okay, so I want to call the function from the particular module file. So what I'll do, I need to first call the package. So from package, so module is like, I'm going to just say here package dot module 1, this one, and I need to call the function here. Okay, so what I'll do, so I need to import the function here. So I'm going to import here my function like this. Now I need to call it. So suppose here print and my function, we know that, and let's call it, and wherever you call and just run it. And as you can see here, from package.module1 import my function, and as you can see, we called my function here print, and you can see the hello world. Okay, and that one is in a module. Module is a file where we have include all the functions of your program. And package, whenever the one folder contain a lot of modules, that is called package. And libraries that contain a lot of packages like the CV2 library, and there are a lot more libraries that you can use in your Python program. So this is the simplest way to understand what is the module, packages, and the libraries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.